For the Indy car races at Elkhart Lake, half the people are from Illinois. They should charge them double because they're real pain in the ass because they come up here, they get drunk, they can't handle their beer, and they get belligerent. Up here we're, you know, easygoing people.
A lot of people that I know from Chicago end up being very pompous and just basically jerks, guys-wise mostly. But so I know a lot of bands from Chicago, and most of them are drug addicts.
I got no use for anybody from Chicago.
Stay out of Wisconsin. Just stay home. Don't cross the border. There's nothing up here but intelligent people. You wouldn't know how to deal with that.
All the men in Illinois have the littlest wieners in the world.
Yeah, hey there! I'm the polka padre. Now, we'd like to do a little song for you. It goes like this, very simple. And I want you to sing it so they can hear us across the border. Hey there, ho there, yeah, hey, stay in Milwaukee and yeah. You say you don't like Illinois, try to keep us where we are. Now we're really just a friendly state, so we'll hop into our car. We'll drive across your border, then come women big and heavy, and see those men with big foreheads like bumpers on a Chevy. Hey there, polka boy, go home and suck a beer. Hey there, but we're saying go drive your old John Deere. Yeah, hey, give the women away, now we'll make us pop, pop, pop. Hey there, owner, yeah, hey, stay in Milwaukee and not. Yeah, hey there, owner, yeah, hey, stay in Milwaukee and not. Yeah. Now the boys, they all go bowling, women dance, smoke a band. Your license plate should read, we're America's fairyland. You say the Brewer baseball team perform the art with ease. If that's the case, the one I just flushed is a giant masterpiece. Hey there, polka boy, go home and suck a beer. Hey there, but we're set, go drive your old John Deere. Yeah, hey, give your ribbon away, now we'll make this rock, rock, rock. Hey there, owner, yeah, hey, stay in Milwaukee and die. Yeah, hey there, owner, yeah, hey, stay in Milwaukee and die. Come on now, Wisconsin, we hope you'll take a joke. Cause it'll work for us in Illinois, your state may just be broke. What the heck do we know? We're just Chicagoans, and we'll meet you all this summer at County Stadium. Hey there, polka boy, go home and suck a beer. Hey there, but we're saying we drive your old John Deere. Yeah, hey, we're gonna wait, now we'll make us rock, rock, rock. Hey there, older, yeah, hey, stay in Milwaukee and die. Yeah, hey there, older, yeah, hey, stay in Milwaukee and die. Yeah, hey there, older, yeah, hey. He's from